wish I will. But why?
It's not me. It's you.
She had me at my worst. You had me at my best.
Popoy, yung ba talaga tingin mo? I just made a choice.
And you chose to break my heart? Dash! I love you! You're the only reason why I stay alive. That's what I am.
Don't forget, I'm just a girl standing in front of a boy asking him to love her.
Pag mahal mo, mahal! Wala nang kasi-kasi. Wala nang pero-pero. Kasi mahal mo.
I didn't ask you to love me, so don't make me feel that I need to love you back. Maho ka nga sa sarili mo. Mapagod ka lang kakahintay. Mapagod ka lang kakaasa.
Ipikit mo nga mga mata mo. Kasi sabi nila, kapag pinikit mo yung mata mo, doon mo lalaman ang tunay mong nararamdaman.
I did. It just wasn't me that you were right about. There's no such thing as fate. Nothing is meant to be. There's no such thing as love. It's just fantasy.
I wish I knew how to quit you. Why? What happened? Why didn't it work out?
Just like what always happens. Life. Goodbye, boy.
Kuya, okay lang yan. Naalala mo nung ako, di ba ikaw yung nagsabi sa akin na baka kaya tayo iniwan ng taong mahal natin dahil may darating na bago? Yung mas okay, yung taong di tayo sasaktan at papaluhain. Yung taong magtatama ng mali sa buhay natin. Ng mali sa buhay mo. Oh, kape ka muna.
One Nescafe.